Creation, control of the God, that whatever want to. Any of the creation give any of the two. Quality that's why true lightened soul too. Have to get many kind of face too. But they have not by their own the God too. Give them controlled command, so if the true to controller commander gave that someone too, that have to change their face as you were to, not known about the spiritual body that they too also change their face by the power given to by the God, that's the reason penetrate in the two blood of the human that have no two. This book Creation is written and read by Raza under supervision Sufi Shoukat Raza Sarkar. Program produced by Raza.